CES 2026, man, is in full swing, man, and it was a really dope time. And I got the chance to see a lot of cool tech while I was out there. But one piece of tech that stopped me right in my tracks was a company called Petgugu. Now, if you guys are a pet owner like myself, then you already know that hydration and grooming are two of the biggest things that people think they got a control over until problems show up. Now, at their booth, they had two products that are built to make pet care smarter as well as easier. Now, the first one, y'all, is the Petgugu Pet Water Fountain, and the second product was the Petgugu M1 Pro Pet Grooming Kit. So let's go ahead and start with the water fountain. So this one right here, y'all, isn't just a water fountain. It's a whole legit health monitoring device. Now, the pet water fountain tracks exactly how much water your pet drinks, and I mean, it is accurate all the way down to the milliliter. And all that data, man, shows up right here inside of the Petgugu app. You can see your pet's daily water intake, drinking trends over time, and health reminders if your pet isn't drinking enough or shows abnormal habits. And this is huge for all my cat owners out there because changes in water intake can show early signs of urinary or kidney issues. But if you're like me, I also use it for my dog, and he loves it too. So instead of guessing, you actually have the real data right there for you guys to be able to work with. The pet water fountain uses an 8-layer filtration system, which includes a durable filter rack as well as mesh layer to be able to trap things in it like hair as well as debris. It also has an activated carbon to be able to remove chlorine, odors, as well as impurities, KDF materials to be able to reduce heavy metals like lead as well as copper, and a mafen stone layer that adds beneficial minerals like calcium as well as magnesium. Now, this 8-layer filtration system makes it safe for drinking water for your pet, and the filter lasts around 4 to 8 weeks, so it's really low maintenance. Now, it has this waterfall flow design that encourages pets to be able to drink more by mimicking natural flowing water that's ultra quiet. So that way it doesn't scare your pets off, when it needs to drink water. It's equipped with water and electricity separation for safety so you guys don't have to worry about any type of electric shock to your pets. And it has a 2-liter water tank, which is enough for about a week for one cat. It's the kind of device you just kind of set up once and you just let it run quietly in the background. Then when I was at their booth, y'all, I got the chance to check out the M1 Pro Pet Grooming Kit. And this right here, y'all, is a product that I really want to get here in the house and just get my hands on because it would be perfect for my dog's grooming, all right? Now, we all know grooming is where things can really get messy with our pets. So the Petgugu M1 Pro, y'all, is a 7-in-1, all-in-one grooming kit that combines vacuuming, trimming, brushing, demodding, shedding, drying, as well as crevice cleaning. You get 7 professional tools, including an electric clipper with 4 guide combs for precise hair length control. Basically, y'all, this thing right here replaces multiple grooming tools with just one setup. Now, when it comes to performance, because I know you guys were curious, the M1 Pro has greater or equal to 11K PA suction power that is really powerful that I got the chance to experience. You also get an 8 millisecond wind speed, and it operates at less than or equal to 62 decibels. Basically, it stays quiet and pet friendly. That means, y'all, it's strong enough to be able to handle thick fur as well as shedding, but calm enough that your pets don't necessarily freak out, which is huge if you guys ever try grooming your pets at home. And one of my favorite features, man, that's actually gonna save you on using a bunch of towels within your home like I've personally been using, you get smart drying with round and flat nozzles, plus 3 adjustable modes to be able to control the suction power with this button that's right here that you see him. You also get airflow with this button and also the temperature of it, making it either 45, 50, or 60 degrees Celsius, which you can control. Then you can add the 2.5-liter extra large dust cup, long flexible hoses, and built-in storage. And this thing, y'all, genuinely is easy to use as well as to be able to store. So if you guys are a pet owner like myself and you guys enjoyed a lot of the products that they showed and debuted here at CES, man, you can check out the Petgugu Pet Water Fountain, which is going to help monitor your pet's health through hydration, as well as Petgugu's M1 Pro, which makes at-home grooming cleaner, quieter, and way less stressful. If you guys are interested, I'll have a direct link for you guys down in the description section below. And also, man, major shout out to my good people over at Petgugu for sponsoring this video, as well as bringing some just super dope tech products to CES this year. I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad, we out.